Big horsepower side-by-sides are everywhere, and we expect them to soon crest the 200 horsepower mark, with Polaris and Can-Am battling hard for ultimate power dominance. But when you boil all of this horsepower down, the side-by-side is only as strong as its weakest link, and your stock belt can be that link. Now, I'm not knocking your stock belt. They do work well and they deliver adequate performance, but why settle for less when you've already bought the biggest and baddest horsepower machines out there? Ultimax belts are purpose-built to deliver just what their name says, the ultimate maximum performance with zero compromise. And their products are not only built better, they're stronger and deliver better performance characteristics, and they come with up to a 3-year warranty. The basics of a CVT transmission is 2 movable clutch sheaves that try to pinch the rubber belt in between them. It moves the belt back and forth and tries to pull it in different directions, which alters the gear ratios and changes the way that the power is put to the ground. Simple, right? Yeah, not so. When you think about the amount of force put on that belt in between the 2 clutches, you might be a little surprised. With a modern turbo side-by-side, you'll see over 200-degree temperatures, with the secondary clutch spinning at over 11,000 RPM and creating force on the belt upwards of 1,000 pounds. This is literally hell on earth inside your CVT cover, and we ask our belts to deliver in these situations day after day, mile after mile. So why wouldn't we take some time to make sure we're providing the strongest connection between our clutches? After some discussion with the engineers at Ultimax, we found out that the cording inside of these actual belts is insanely strong, and that a belt itself is built to withstand about 12,000 pounds of force. So with only 1,000 pounds of force inside of our clutches, a belt should never break, right? Well, while the belt in its entirety is strong, the individual cords themselves can only handle a fraction of that force, and this is where the rubber compounds come into the equation. The rubber has 2 jobs. Firstly, to support the internal cording and displace the load evenly across all of the cords. But when belt heat increases and rubber compounds become softer and allow the belt to buckle, then the outside cords take on far more load, and the result, well, it's going to be a blown belt. Secondly, the rubber is there to grip the sheaves of the face of the clutches. The belt is a communication between the motor and transmission, and it needs to stay stable no matter of the temperature, speed, or tension. And this is where belt manufacturers have very specific, very secretive rubber compounds. So with all of that in mind, here are some of the highest recommendations directly from Ultimax on how to keep your belt alive the longest. Firstly, if you mess with tire size or increase horsepower, you need to adjust the clutching, because you've changed the gearing of the driveline, and this is a major killer of belts. Secondly, if you don't need high range, leave it low. When you're out crawling or working your side-by-side, low range is your belt's friend. If you don't need full power, keep it in low. Breaking in your belt is another huge factor, and while most folks don't do it, a break-in really truly does matter. Ultimax recommends 20 miles without abusing the belt. So this means keeping it under half throttle and running it for 4 to 5 miles, then stopping, letting the engine cool down. Run it another 4 or 5 miles and repeat this 3 or 4 times. Sure, I know that sounds boring, but this is straight from Ultimax, and they know how to build belts and likewise, how to make them last the longest. Now, keeping your belt cool, yeah, that's obvious. We don't want heat in there, but making sure that the plumbing going into and out of your CVT is clear is really important. Along with that, picking the right belt for your application has a lot to do with how long it's going to survive. And the Ultimax XP belt is a step above and is designed to specifically handle the power and heat from modern high horsepower rigs, and no other belt brand can hold a candle to them. Ultimax offers safe operating temperatures of 280 degrees, while other brands and OEM belts are only rated at 220. On top of this, the drive efficiency of the XP belts is 82.1%, which is almost 2% better than other belt brands, and that's just a free 2% of power to the ground. And finally, the warranty. While many OEM belts won't come with any warranty at all, and the best competitors will only offer 1 year, the Ultimax XP offers 3 years of worry-free belt replacement. It's really easy to overlook your belt. We all do it, and we all abuse our belts. That's me included. And that's the #1 reason why I choose a better quality, better performance belt with a better warranty. Because at the end of the day, with the busyness of life, who's got time for blown belts? Thanks for watching DurTrex TV. If you liked the video that you just saw, please click the like button as well as comment below. You can subscribe to our page and also ring the bell if you want to be notified of future videos on DurTrex TV.